Hello, here Alan Suera again, and today I'm going to talk about self-healing. If you're trying to get better from sadness, stress, anxiety, or depression, the base where you can start to get better is walking every day and meditating every day. I'm telling you, in my recovery, this habit, because I turned it into a habit, not just a practice that I did a few days a week. I do it every day, and I did it every day back then. That was the base where I started building my recovery and letting go of all sadness, stress, anxiety, and depression. Okay? All the changes that occurred in my mind and in my brain, they all occurred because I was walking and meditating for at least 20 to 30 minutes every day. So if you're trying to heal yourself from any emotional problems or emotional disturbances that you feel, like sadness, stress, anxiety, or depression, or anger, the way to elevate yourself from that into feeling peace, joy, and happiness is to exercise or walk every day and meditate every day. So what kind of meditation you want to do? You can start with mindful meditation, and you can find instructions on that on YouTube and on any book on meditation on Audible. There are millions of sources these days for you to learn mindful meditation. There are other types of meditation, because even praying is a type of meditation. So that's another one we can add. Praying every day, if you have any spiritual belief or any religious beliefs, praying is incredibly powerful. So you might say that having faith is the foundation of all recovery, because if you have at least some faith, then you can start walking or exercising, then you can start meditating and trying mindful meditation, and then going to more advanced meditations. All right? But you need to believe that you can change your life, and that happens with faith. Whether it's spiritual or whether it's faith in yourself. If you're not spiritual, find whatever you need to find to have faith that you can get better. If you need to have faith in me, just because I'm telling you, well, have faith in me. Because I'm not talking about something I learned in college. I've been through it. I've been there. I've been in the pits of despair. I've been in anxiety that seems to be an anxiety attack that lasts forever. I've been there. So I'm telling you everything I went through, how I got better. And that is faith, that is exercises or walking, and that is meditation. That is the foundation that will propel you to clear your mind enough so that you can understand how to change your thoughts and how to transform yourself from a person that is full of sadness and stress into a person that is full of peace, joy, and happiness. And that's gonna be all for today's video. I'll see you on my next video, but before I go, remember, down there I have my free course, Erase Sadness and Stress from Your Life. You can take it for free. You can also email me. There's an email down there. If you take the course, you're gonna get emails, so you're gonna have my email anyway. So I hope you see me on my next course, and or I hope you see me on my next video. So I'll see you. Bye bye.